Hello, welcome to another video with me, Mr. Morrison. So in today's video, I have a little pressure switch or pressure alarm here. So when you put pressure on this switch, it creates a circuit and sounds an alarm. I have one pin here connected to pin 0, so one crocodile clip connected to pin 0, and that's our power. Then our ground is coming from the other side and connecting to ground. And you see that we complete the circuit when the two bits of tinfoil touch this tinfoil, and that creates conductivity and sounds the alarm. So let's get coding. So our pressure switch is a very simple piece of code. We don't need on start or forever, but we do need an input, and that's going to be on pin 0 pressed. You could change that to one of the other pins if you're using one of the other pins, but I think using pin 0 is just as easy to start. That's the one that you're going to connect the crocodile clip to. In BASIC, you're going to get an icon, and we'll just make this an angry face icon just to show that if it's been pressed on, you could have a different icon if you choose. Then in music, we're wanting to play a tone. We'll just go for middle C for not just one beat. Let's do more than one beat. Let's do 4 beats just so you definitely hear the alarm, because if we're getting stepping on it, then you might not hear the alarm over the sound of your foot stepping on it. Then I'm going to go into basic and I'm going to clear screen. So once it's finished, it'll clear the screen. And that is you. Really simple, 4 blocks involved in that piece of code. Download it onto the microbit, see if it works, and I hope to speak to you in another video very soon.